I'm somewhere between Jennings and Jones. That is just a sample of the country voice I have. That's just a sample of it. Alan Jackson, that's my daggum shit. If you don't like it, I tell you, Yankee has to get. I go to the lake, everybody's upset. I catch more fish than you can stuff in a jet. Hop up out the truck, put my boots on, take a piss on a tree and say, what's up? Yeah, I'm Southern. Oh. Yeah, you know what it is. Tires on my John Deere real big. Green and yaller, green and yaller, green and yaller. Crack is yeller, crack is yeller, crack is yeller.